Morning, and here are your top 5 stocks to watch out for in trade. Well, let's begin with numbers, and Shriram EPC came out with its quarterly numbers and it was quite a disappointing set of that. They delivered a loss this quarter of 29.9 crore rupees. This is versus a profit of 6.4 crores, and the company's income from operations as well declined quite significantly to 133.7 crores versus 391 crores on a year-on-year basis. Moving on then, Reliance Industries, yet again, that stock is in focus as we understand that the company is looking to raise 61,000 to 63,000 crore rupees by selling a 15% stake in Reliance Retail Ventures, the holding business of the the holding company of the retail business, to a clutch of private equity investors and sovereign wealth funds. According to the Economic Times, the fresh shares will be issued to the investors and the company expects to complete this fundraise by the end of October. They're likely to induct a strategic investor, and as of now there are no active discussions on that front. Amazon and Walmart have been mentioned as potential suitors, but as of now no talks seem to have held. Remember, Silver Lake is the first one to come on board as an investor in Jio Platforms. You had Saudi Arabia's investment fund as well, Abu Dhabi, Mubadala, which put in money, ADIA as well as KKR, which are likely to pick up stakes in their retail ventures as well, and the company has offered to sell stakes to all the investors of Jio Platforms. Intel Capital, Qualcomm, they've declined to participate. Moving right on then, you've got Indiabulls Housing that's in focus. The company has launched a QIP to raise funds from institutional investors, and they plan to raise about 735 crore rupees, we understand, and this is essentially set at a floor price of 206.7 rupees per share, and this is a little bit of a premium to yesterday's closing price at 201. The company wants to use the proceeds to augment their capital adequacy ratio, to maintain their liquidity for their overall business activities, and they're also looking at options for divestment of equity in UK-based Oak North Bank in one or more tranches. Remember, the firm had invested about 663 crores in November for a 40% stake, and this is the latest that we understand. Moving on then, let's also focus in on Sunteck Realty, as CLSA has initiated coverage on the stock with a buy. They've got a target price of 345, saying that the value accretive land acquisition strategy is positive. The strategic shift towards volumes can help the company to gain market share, and the acquisition pace is only going to accelerate. Citi has a report on Torrent Pharma. They maintain a buy with a target at 29.50, saying that it's a preferred pick within the Indian pharma space. They see strong multi-year growth in revenues and consistent growth in India and branded generics, and recovery in the US as well as Germany business will be a catalyst.